We are Telight, a company based in Brno, Czech Republic. We design advanced microscopes tailored specifically for scientists. With our expertise in quantitative phase imaging, we have developed QPhase, a state-of-the-art microscope that allows researchers to see living cells in their natural environment in precise detail without damaging or labeling them. With QPhase, scientists gain a new perspective on life at the cellular level. To study individual cells, segmentation is essential. QPhase delivers high-quality images with minimum artifacts, ideal for automated cell segmentation, but we wanted to push the boundaries even further, making the process faster and more precise. That's why we've tested multiple AI models in partnership with European Digital Innovation Hub Ostrava.
At the European Digital Innovation Hub Ostrava, we help companies accelerate digital innovation. In this case, by combining our scientific expertise with high-performance computing. For Telight, we created a custom image preprocessing algorithm and tested multiple deep learning segmentation methods. With IT for Innovation supercomputers, particularly Karolina, we were routinely training hundreds of AI models on tens of thousands of images, making sure not to miss a good model while also saving a considerable amount of time.
Thanks to this cooperation, our software now includes advanced AI models. Cell segmentation is faster, more reliable, and up to 58% more accurate. With a true one-click solution, scientists save valuable time and focus on what truly matters: their discoveries.